Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the cards in Plants vs. Brainrot. So there are two ways that you can get cards in this game. So you can go and select the rebirth section and you'll get a card pack, but it is like just the normal card pack. If you go to Central Island, you will see you can also get a shiny base card pack. This will refresh daily, so right now I will need to submit Brainrots. So I do have this. I'm just going to place it, and then needs Alessio, and then Gangster, Footerer, and Freight. I don't think I do. Then once you submitted everything, you will get a card pack. So here, go to, it's here. So I have 3 base card packs, and let's open them together. So Whirlwind, Batter Up, Epic Collection, Secret Slayer, Plant Frenzy. Okay, cool. And this is what the other one looks like. This is the shiny base card pack. Brainrot Blessing, Whirlwind again, Pumpkin Flurry, Rare Collection. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.